Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by understanding the core eligibility for YouTube monetization today. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the past 12 months. Alternatively, you can meet the threshold with 10,000 shorts public views in a recent 90-day period. Ensure your channel follows all YouTube monetization policies and has no community strikes or copyright strikes. Set up two-step verification on your Google account to secure access. Finally, create an AdSense account so you can receive payments when approved. Optimize your channel to speed up approval and build watch time. Publish consistently with a predictable schedule to keep viewers returning and increase watch hours. Optimize every video using a clear title, eye-catching thumbnail, and accurate tags and descriptions. Focus on original content and never reuse other creators' material or unlicensed music. Remove or fix videos that violate guidelines before applying. Enable two-step verification and link an active AdSense account for payments and identity verification. When you meet thresholds, apply to the YouTube Partner Program from your studio dashboard. YouTube will review your entire channel for policy adherence and copyright issues during the review. Monitor analytics daily to track watch hours, subscriber growth, and which videos drive monetization. Respond quickly to copyright claims and community guideline notices to prevent strikes. If approved, link payment details and wait to reach the 0 AdSense payout threshold before receiving earnings. Keep publishing and following rules to maintain monetization long-term.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.